Hey everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm unboxing the January VillaBeautifful kit, Classy and Fabulous. It has so many pretty pieces and some of my favorite colors, and I can't wait to show you all. So let's get started. So let's start with the papers. First up we have this pink and white pearl pattern and blue stripes on the back. Then we have some pink and blue florals and black and white pattern, gray and white pattern, and the back of that is this really pretty bow pattern. Then we have some Tiffany bags and rings, and the back of that is this gorgeous lace pattern. The kit also comes with 2 sheets of vellum, so you get this black pattern and the florals. Next up we have a large journaling card that's classy and fabulous. This is the perfect size to make a dashboard for your TN. You can add whatever you want on the back or stick it onto a larger sheet of paper if you have a larger size TN. Then we have an Audrey Hepburn quote for the smaller journaling card. Next up, I'll give you a little flip through of the 3 large sheets of stickers you get. First up we have the page flags, the icons, some circles. Love this line of icons right here. Have a few phrases and more icons. Next up we have the headers, some banner flags down here, and the clipboards. And Tiffany's clipboard stickers are so cute. I love these. These are probably one of my favorite parts of her kits. Next up we have the full boxes. So I'll just show you those. We've got a lot of Audrey Hepburn quotes, of course, and this eye mask is one of my favorite features of this particular theme. Next up, I'll do a little flip through of the 5 mini sheets you get. So first up we have some checklists and circle icons, and I love the different shape options she gives you here. Then we have the date covers, a few strips with patterns and quotes, then a sheet of 8 boxes, and the last sheet is deco. And if you order her kits, you also get access to digital art, which you can use to make stickers or dashboards, so that's a really great feature of these kits. My kit also included this really cute baggie of goodies, so I'm going to open that up next. And here is this month's VB pin. Love this color, it's so pretty. The gems are great. VillaBeautifful engraving is in black this time, so it just matches so perfectly to this theme. You also get a planner charm included in this month's kit, and this one features a pearl, a bow, and a black floral charm. Next up, we have this month's sticky note pad, and this features a really pretty charm bracelet in the corner and plenty of room to jot down all of your notes. Next up, we have a 3-pack of double-sided planner clips featuring a Tiffany & Co. bag, high heel, and a perfume bottle. Last but not least, you also get 2 VillaBeautifful washi tapes with this kit. They both feature silver foil, so you have the floral pattern that matches the papers from the kit, and this really pretty bow pattern. And that does it for this unboxing. I cannot wait to get this kit laid out in my planner. Make sure to join the VillaBeautifful Facebook group, Beautify Your Planner, to keep up to date with all the new theme reveals and sneak peeks. And don't forget to check out the description below for a link to the kits. If you do end up ordering one, be sure to let Tiffany know I sent you. I hope you all enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me over on Instagram for more planner and stationery pics. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!